Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your game requires a system restart for League of Legends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you can find Riot Games right here, or Riot Client, just right click on it and click on Exit, as well as the Vanguard if you have it in here, or the VG tray. Okay, right click, click on Exit. And then once that's done, go ahead over to your search bar and type down Services, click on it. Now go out and find a system called VGC. Okay, scroll all the way down, find VGC, this one. So you're going to want to double click on it. The startup type, you should set this one to automatic. Click on apply, wiggle your mouse, click on start, and then just wait for the process to finish right here. Okay, wait a bit. And then once that's done, just click on OK. Close this one. Before you restart your computer, check your date and time. Right click on it and click on adjust date and time. Make sure that you click on region right here at the very top and you select the correct region. Once that's done, go ahead and go back. Now make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both enabled. Okay. And once these two are enabled, go ahead and scroll down a bit, find sync now, click on it, wait until you got the check mark. And once done, just close this one, restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix your game requires a system restart for League of Legends. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.